The 6 minutes
100 days drawing challenge.
sketching challenge.
Yeah. Drawing, sketching, doodling.
Yeah, drawing, sketching, doodling, and more. So today we are gonna sketch something. What is that sketch gonna be of?
A boy.
A boy,
A teenager.
a teenager boy. Yeah? Let's get started with this video, the episode number 24 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Let's get started. Let's start with the eyes. Big eyes.
Only a little bit.
Okay. The nose.
Wait,
Okay.
please.
The face. Okay. The eyebrows. And the face. The hairs.
Can you wait, Papa?
Just yeah.
Yeah. Stop drawing the eyebrows.
Big ears he got. So the face is almost made. Are you done, Parikshet?
Almost.
Cool. Yeah. Let's make the neck.
Maybe we don't have enough space to make the whole body.
No, we won't.
We made such a big face.
Yeah. The hands.
We'll try to make it again, okay? Now.
The crisscrossed hands that he has kept. How is his hands?
Crisscross.
Crossed. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's continue making his body.
Can you wait, Papa?
Okay. It's pretty simple. Yeah. That's how much we can make over here. That looks good.
I can even not make that much.
The pockets, some buttons, the collar of the t-shirt, the sleeves, the belt, okay, the pockets of the pant, okay. What else? Are we missing on anything?
No.
That was an easy sketch. By the time Parikshet finishes his sketch, let us see who got featured in this video's shout out, the episode number 24. See if it's you.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag us at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Okay, welcome back.
You know, guys, My father was using an even more difficult drawing than this.
We'll do that more difficult one in the next episode number. That would be episode number 25. Yeah. So stay tuned to see episode number 25 if you want to see what is that one difficult drawing that Parikshet is talking about. I hope you're enjoying the videos, you're liking the videos, you're liking Parikshet and how you are improving with your drawing skills every single day. Yeah. So do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. Hit on the notification bell to get a notification whenever we post a new video, which we almost do every other day. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're loving this. And if you have any feedback, if you want any particular video that you want us to draw, do not forget to tell us in the comments below and we will be coming up with that video on the next day. See you soon. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye. This was episode number 24 of the 6 Minutes 100 Days Challenge.